Welcome to MetaMask versus Trust Wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are provided in the description below. In this video, we'll compare these two popular wallets based on features, usability, security, and intended user base, helping you decide which one aligns with your crypto needs. MetaMask is a software wallet primarily designed for Ethereum and compatible blockchains, such as Binance Smart Chain and Polygon. It's available as a browser extension and mobile app, making it an excellent choice for users engaging with decentralized applications, dApps, DeFi protocols, and NFT marketplaces. MetaMask offers a built-in token swap feature, allowing users to trade assets directly within the wallet. Its Web3 integration ensures seamless connectivity with Ethereum-based ecosystems. However, as a hot wallet, its security heavily relies on user practices, such as safeguarding seed phrases and avoiding phishing attacks. Trust Wallet, in contrast, is a mobile-only wallet that supports a wide range of blockchains and cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and many others. It offers a highly user-friendly interface, making it ideal for beginners. Trust Wallet also includes a built-in Web3 browser for accessing dApps, support for NFT storage, and staking features for multiple assets. Security-wise, Trust Wallet is non-custodial, meaning users have full control of their private keys. Its mobile-only design may limit flexibility for some advanced users, but simplifies crypto management for those focused on convenience. When deciding between the two, MetaMask is better suited for users deeply involved in Ethereum and its ecosystem, especially if they frequently interact with dApps or require a browser extension for desktop use. On the other hand, Trust Wallet is a great all-in-one option for multi-chain asset management and users looking for a streamlined mobile experience with added features like staking. In summary, choose MetaMask if Ethereum-based dApp interaction is your priority, or if you prefer desktop functionality. Go for Trust Wallet if you need broad asset support, staking options, or an easy-to-use mobile wallet. Explore both options using the links in the description, and let us know which wallet you prefer in the comments below.